Welcome back to the Lady Wealth Warrior channel. Let's talk about something that makes a lot of smart, soulful businesswomen overthink, procrastinate, and shrink back. Selling. The word promotion makes you feel icky. If you've got amazing offers, but you're low-key afraid to talk about them, if you've ever thought, I don't want to annoy people, I know I've thought that a lot. I feel like I'm asking for too much, or I don't want to sound salesy. Well, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Michelle Spark, digital CEO, Army vet, and your go-to business mentor for all things digital products, community building, and simple marketing that actually works. Today, I'm going to show you how to sell through a community in a way that feels natural, empowering, and totally you. You don't need scripts. You don't need funnels, and you don't need a huge audience. You need connection, and that's what we're building today. So here's what makes selling feel gross. You're promoting to people who don't know you. You're showing up only when you want to sell, and you're skipping the trust part. That's not your fault. It's what the internet taught us. That's just how we were taught. But here's the truth. People don't want to be sold to. They want to be seen, heard, helped. They want that transformation, and then they want to be invited. That's why community is your secret weapon. When people are in your space, whether it's a group, a membership, or even your DM circle, they're already warming up. They already trust you. Selling becomes a conversation, not a campaign. So here's what it looks like when you sell inside of a community the right way. Number one, you're showing up weekly with value. Trainings, lives, mini wins, they start looking forward to your content. Number two, you're creating a safe, shareable moments, celebrating the member wins, showing behind the scenes, letting them feel seen and special. And number three, you're inviting consistently, not once a month, when you launch, but weekly. If you want to go deeper, grab the course. If this helped, my program takes you further. Want support? Come join us. And the best part, people start selling for you. They tell others. They shout you out. They DM you ready to buy because you've built belonging first. That's community-powered selling. So if you've ever tried selling on a community, whether it's a Facebook group, a school community, any other membership type, go ahead and drop it in the comments and let me know how it went. Have you ever tried selling in a community? So here's how we're going to start today, okay? We're going to post with purpose, okay? If you're starting your community today, this is how you want to start, right? Number one, post with purpose. Add a soft call to action to every post. Want my free guide? Grab the mini course. Join the inner circle. Use call outs when you do go live. If you're in this space and you're ready to launch, my program's open. Or let me show you how we break this down inside the inner circle. Then you want to feature people. Brag on your members, maybe some member spotlights or share screenshots of wins. Tag other people, thank them, and uplift them. And then, of course, you want to create those mini moments, VIP-only bonuses, first dibs for members, early access perks. It's not launching, it's leading. Your offer becomes the next step, not a cold pitch. So now you know you don't have to choose between being authentic and making money. You just need a community that supports the sale. And if you're ready to build that space, I'm inviting you to my 5-day challenge. Monetize your community, build one simple business system that is a client-attracting, income-generating online space. I'm going to walk you through choosing your platform, attracting aligned members, what to post, how to sell inside of your space without pressure or awkward energy. So if you want to join me in the 5-day challenge, drop challenge in the comments below if you're coming, or you can just grab the link in the description and get signed up. Because it's not about becoming a pushy salesperson. It's about becoming a powerful guide. Your audience is waiting. Let's build your space, your sales system, and your CEO confidence. One post, one conversation, one invitation at a time. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn that bell notification on so you get notified every time I release a new training. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.